don't believe this awesome new product that's just landed in every Seadan store across the country. You've been asking for a product that just works. UNV have delivered with their new 6-megapixel EasyStar turret that's exclusive to us and our customers. Compatible with all other UNV devices, this camera comes with an all-metal construction. It has low light capabilities of just 0.003 lux. It has true wide dynamic range, a built-in microphone, a built-in SD card slot where you can have up to 256 gigabytes. It's got an IR range of 30 meters and it comes in either a 2.8 or a 4mm lens to help you meet any requirement. And before you ask, yes, it has tripwire perimeter protection based on human body detection. But the best part is the new EasyStar 𝗘𝘀𝘆𝗦𝘁. And by EasyStarter, we mean expandable on-site immediately, with a spare hard drive bay in every NVR. Located right next to the already fitted 2TB hard drive, you're able to offer your customer extended memory on the spot. Better yet, it comes with 4 cameras in the kit, leaving you with 4 spare ports on an 8-channel NVR so that you're future-proofing every installation. Don't forget, all of this comes with UNV's standard cloud-based firmware upgrade capabilities on every product. Their backwards compatibility, meaning you're never left trying to configure old firmware. And of course, our unrivaled instant swap warranty process on UNV products. With the global chip shortage, trying to get our hands on these have been difficult, so stocks are going to be limited. Even though we've got tens of thousands on order. You'll have to be quick so you don't miss out on what some installers are calling the best invention since the meat pie. Get yours in-store or online today. I'm Britt and I'm keeping it simply smart.